going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. I'm making it myself. So today is test number 2 for the Kingsford Cumin and Chili with Mesquite Wood Briquettes. We're going to get it going right with some spare ribs. We're going to cut them down into some St. Louis cut. We're going to use BSB's house blends. It's their all-purpose rub. I found that they don't have any added extra spice level kick to it, so it's a nice even keel to see if these briquettes add any extra nice level of heat with that chili and cumin flavor to it. We noticed a little bit of pop of heat into the chicken. Let's see with a longer cook if it's going to do it with this pork. Stick around, we're going to get right to it. So, I've got the spare ribs on its back. We're going to go ahead and find the chain meat. That's this little flap that's on the back. We're going to go ahead and cut it off now. Throw that to the side. You also want to cut off your rib tips. That's this part down here at the bottom. And then you want to go ahead and square this up at the end down here. Make it a little more pretty. Also, it won't hang so close to the fire when we put it on the Oklahoma Joe Bronco. Now, we're going to go ahead and pull off the back membrane. Go ahead. Put your knife underneath the membrane there. Get you a paper towel. Sometimes it comes off in one piece. Sometimes it does what it's doing right now. We're going to go ahead now and put on our binder, which in this case is going to be some yellow mustard. And now we're going to hit it up with that BSB house blend, which is that all-purpose rub. It's got salt, black pepper, some garlic, don't worry, I'm going to hit up the sides of this off camera. Go ahead and flip it over. So we're going to go ahead and throw those briquettes on now. Gives us a handful left to do some beef. Just because we're squaring it up doesn't mean we're not going to go ahead and cook that small little piece. There we go. Let's go ahead now and let that ride for about 2 hours. Alright, we're 2 hours in. Now I have been every 30 minutes pulling them and spritzing them down with water. We've got two choices here. I can either wrap them in some butter and some brown sugar, or I can let them ride and continue with just letting them cook on their own. I'm trying to see how much of the spice level is going to do that. And I don't want to tamper with putting extra butter and other stuff to make them sweet ribs. So I'm just going to go ahead and put them back on there and see how they go. But I will throw a couple more of those chunks on the fire. Okay, we're going to go ahead and check them now. Oh yeah, we done. Just like that, we're done. Now, we're just seeing if we can taste the cumin, chili, and mesquite flavors on the meat. Nothing else. We're looking to see of that alone. First up, we got a nice smoke ring going. That's a good sign. We didn't put any wood in there besides those briquettes, so good on the smoke ring from the briquettes and the Royal Oak briquettes. Now, going in for that taste. It's very faint. It's I can taste that there's something there, but it's very faint. Maybe if I use the whole 2-pound bag, it'd be more pronounced possibly, but for $8 to only get one cook out of the bag, that's a lot to ask for. So I don't think it'd be worth it to do one cook out of it. So it wouldn't be a good buy to me. You know, that's just my take on it. You buy a bag and see what you think about it. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you. Have a good day.